Imagine looking up at the night sky and seeing not one but two moons shining above Earth. What if the night sky had two moons? Would life on Earth survive the chaos? At first glance, it might seem magical. Twice the lunar light, twice the mystery. But behind this beauty hides a cosmic drama with huge consequences. To understand, let's first remember what our single moon does. It's not just a glowing rock. Its gravity stabilizes Earth's tilt, keeping our climate steady and seasons predictable. It controls ocean tides, setting a rhythm that shapes marine life and coastal ecosystems. Even animals and humans rely on the moon to regulate biological clocks. Now imagine adding a second moon. Let's call it Luna 2, about 1/3 the size of our current moon, sharing Earth's orbit. The immediate effect? The tides would turn chaotic and unpredictable. Instead of the familiar twice-daily tides, coastal waters might rise and fall multiple times each day, sometimes surging violently without warning. Picture beaches eroding overnight, wetlands flooding unexpectedly, and millions of people living near shores at constant risk. Crabs, turtles, and other creatures that time their lives to tidal cycles would find themselves lost and confused, threatening entire ecosystems. But the danger doesn't stop there. The gravitational dance between two moons would cause their orbits to twist and pull unpredictably. Over time, they could draw dangerously close, or even collide. Imagine the fallout. Shattered moons sending showers of rocks and debris into orbit, bombarding Earth with cosmic wreckage that could spark fires and mass extinctions like those that wiped out the dinosaurs. Adding a second moon might also destabilize Earth's axial tilt, shaking up our planet's orientation to the sun. The result? More extreme, erratic seasons, scorching summers, brutal winters, or even the loss of seasonal cycles. Farming could collapse, migration patterns vanish, and our climate might spiral into chaos. On a biological level, double lunar cycles could throw nocturnal animals' navigation off course. Coral reefs, which time their mass spawning with the moon, might fail to reproduce. Even humans could feel the effects. Irregular moonlight might disrupt sleep, causing insomnia and stress. Technology and space missions would face new challenges. Two moons mean unstable satellite orbits, more space debris risks, and complications for GPS, weather forecasts, and communication networks. Space exploration costs and dangers could skyrocket. Culturally, our calendars, myths, and art, all shaped by one moon, would have to evolve to a sky with two glowing companions. Could Earth even keep a second moon? While tiny mini-moons occasionally visit, holding on to a permanent second moon requires perfectly balanced orbits, or disaster looms. But what if we created an artificial second moon? A massive space station or solar power hub in lunar orbit could become humanity's new celestial neighbor, a new chapter in our cosmic journey. Two moons, twice the wonder, twice the risk. Earth with two moons wouldn't just look different. It would be a world transformed in tides, climate, life, and culture. What do you think? Would Earth's second moon be a blessing or a curse? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more mind-bending cosmic questions. And one last thought. What if Earth had three moons?